Replace your sponge. A simple phrase with everyday importance. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might encounter in daily conversations. Replace your sponge. This might seem straightforward, but it's packed with cultural and practical implications. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and why it's more than just about kitchen hygiene. The phrase, replace your sponge, is a literal suggestion advising someone to change the sponge they use for washing dishes or cleaning surfaces. Sponges can harbor bacteria and germs, so replacing them regularly is a matter of health and hygiene. But why focus on such a specific household item? It's because the sponge is a symbol of cleanliness in many cultures, making its maintenance a universally understood concern. While replace your sponge can be taken at face value, it also serves as a metaphor for renewal and attention to personal well-being. Just as a sponge absorbs dirt and needs regular replacement to function effectively, various aspects of our lives require rejuvenation and care to ensure our health, relationships, and work-life balance remain positive and productive. How often? It's recommended to replace kitchen sponges every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on use. Signs it's time for a change. Bad smell, visible wear and tear, or a slimy texture are clear indicators. Alternatives to consider. Consider using dishcloths that can be washed and reused or silicone scrubbers that last longer and are easier to clean. Replace your sponge isn't just about kitchen hygiene, it's a reminder to evaluate and refresh other areas of our lives. Whether it's taking up a new hobby, reassessing goals, or decluttering your space, the essence of the message is to stay mindful of what needs attention and make changes to maintain a healthy, balanced life. We hope this exploration of the phrase, replace your sponge, has provided you with a deeper understanding of its meaning and why it's a helpful reminder in both a literal and metaphorical sense. Remember, taking care of the small things can have a big impact on your overall well-being. Thank you for watching. And here's to keeping every part of our lives as clean and fresh as a new sponge.